In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a moving object in a PowerPoint presentation. This is a fantastic way to make your presentations more dynamic and engaging, capturing the attention of your audience through smooth and professional looking animations. Let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this with just a few clicks. To begin, you're going to want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have it running, that's great. If not, go ahead and launch it so we can get started. Once you have PowerPoint open, navigate to the presentation that you want to animate. Open this by either selecting it from your recent files or by browsing your computer to find the presentation you intend to enhance. Next, pinpoint the specific object or picture within your slide that you wish to animate. Click on this object to select it, and you'll notice that selecting a specific object is crucial as it instructs PowerPoint on where you want to apply the animation effect. With your object selected, head over to the top of your screen and locate the Animations tab. This is your gateway to all the animation options that PowerPoint offers. Click on it to reveal a variety of animations that you can apply. Here you'll want to focus on the animations specifically designed for motion paths. These animations are designed to move your object along a predetermined path, adding movement to the overall presentation. To access these animations, locate the Animation drop-down menu within the Animations tab. This drop-down is filled with various effects, but for a moving object, your focus should be on the section labelled Motion Path Animation. Once you click the drop-down, you'll see several path options such as straight, curved, and custom paths that allow your object to travel from one point to another. After selecting the type of motion path you want, it's time to fine-tune the animation to suit your specific needs. To do this, click on Effect Options, which will be visible in the Animations tab once you've applied a motion path. This is where you can customize the direction, starting point and end point of your animation path, making sure it moves exactly as you envision. Remember, a well-animated object can significantly elevate your presentation, drawing in your viewers' attention and guiding them through your story seamlessly. Through these simple steps, you can transform static slides into lively narratives. So go ahead, implement these animations in your next presentation, and watch how they enhance your audience's experience. That's it for today's guide on animating moving objects in PowerPoint. Thanks for joining and happy presenting.